In the early morning, while the world was still wrapped in mist, the train slowly pulled away from the station. A long whistle echoed through the air, signaling the beginning of a new journey. The steel wheels rolled over the tracks, creating a calming rhythm. Clack, 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 like a gentle soundtrack for every passenger carrying their own story. Inside the carriage, the atmosphere felt warm and peaceful. Some passengers sipped hot coffee, while others gazed out the window, lost in thought, perhaps remembering someone waiting at the destination. A small child pressed their face against the glass, smiling at the green rice fields rushing past, the trees blurring into motion, and the tiny houses that looked like miniatures from afar. The train continued its journey, cutting through rolling hills and crossing long bridges over sparkling rivers touched by the morning sun. Every curve revealed a new scene: wide stretches of farmland, rows of coconut trees, and small towns already busy with the sounds of daily life. Time seemed to move differently inside the train. Not too fast, not too slow, just flowing along with the rhythm of wheels and rails. Here, the journey was not only about reaching a destination, but also about thinking, dreaming, and finding a moment of calm amid the hum of the engine. When the announcement for the final station came on, passengers began to prepare. Some smiled, some looked nervous, and others couldn't wait to begin a new chapter. The train slowly reduced its speed and came to a gentle stop. The doors opened. Fresh air greeted them. The journey might have ended, but a new story was just beginning.